I'm Rainer Koschke. I'm a professor for software engineering. I'm one of the co-founders of Axivion company, acquired by Qt, and I'm also a part-time developer for Qt. Software erosion, there are many different terms, synonyms. Some call it technical debt, some call it code smells, bad smells. It's all the same concept. Basically, it's a kind of shortage, a structural shortage in the code. It's not a functional error. But it's something that hinders you from developing or further changing your code. It's harder to understand, more difficult to change. But there is also evidence in the scientific literature that clearly shows that there's also a relation to defects. So it's not just about the beauty of the code, but also it may in fact lead to errors. Well, that's obviously a very general question, but let me link it to the topic of software erosion. My guess is that the topic gets even more urgent as systems will grow over time. Systems get bigger and bigger, they never shrink, and they get more complicated, and our society relies on it. So the topic of software erosion gets even more urgent and there's a more need to address it. Companies have to deal with the topic of software erosion, and they have to integrate it in their daily practice. So it's obviously accepted that systems need to be tested before they can ship. And I expect that it will also be well accepted that companies have to integrate some kind of analysis into their continuous integration process in order to check for software erosions and handle software erosion. And another expectation of mine is that currently that code smells are treated at the level of source code, mostly, at a very detailed level, and I expect that this will rise to a higher level to the architecture. So the topic of architecture erosion will also get more prominent in the future.